Learn English with English Story Time.
Hey there! Are you ready to learn the names of all the amazing things that we use in the kitchen? Today's lesson is all about familiarizing ourselves with the tools and equipment we need to whip up delicious meals. Excited to get started? Let's do this. Spoon. Spoon. Fork. Fork. Knife. Knife. Plate. Plate. Glass. Glass. Bowl. Bowl. Pan. Pan. Pot. Pot. Cutting board. Cutting board. Colander. Colander. Oven mitt. Oven mitt. Spatula. Spatula. Whisk. Whisk. Grater. Grater. Measuring cup. Measuring cup. Mixing bowl. Mixing bowl. Blender. Blender. Toaster. Toaster. Tongs. Tongs. Ladle. Ladle. Dishcloth. Dishcloth. Apron. Apron. Can opener. Can opener. Corkscrew. Corkscrew. Rolling pin. Rolling pin. Peeler. Peeler. Microwave. Microwave. Coffee maker. Coffee maker. Mixer. Mixer. Salad spinner. Salad spinner. Ice cube tray. Ice cube tray. Strainer. Strainer. Baking sheet. Baking sheet. Egg slicer. Egg slicer. Garlic press. Garlic press. Juicer. Juicer.